Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today is my For the Beginner series. I am doing these tutorials for all the new stampers and crafters out there. Usually I do a card, and but today I thought I'd share a really quick and easy treat holder. So look at this, and how cute would that be for your child's classroom? And it would be so quick and easy. So what I'm using for this today is the 2x8 cellophane bags. These are what Stampin' Up! Carries. And there are, let's see, I can't remember how many are in here. There are 50 in here, and these are really inexpensive little treat bags. And then the stamp set that I'm using is this Hey Love. And this is so adorable. I just love these, and they're so cute for coloring in. I used this little bird, and then I have another treat holder coming up for Sunday using this same stamp set. But anybody can make these, but this is just my For the Beginner series that I'm doing. All right, so to get started with this, we are going to use the rectangle stitched framelits, and we are using the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth one. I've already taken it out from this large group. We're using the fifth one for that, so this makes it super quick and easy. We're just going to run it through the Big Shot, and then we're going to stamp and attach it to the bag. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring up the Big Shot. We are going to use our magnetic platform. We're using a plate, some Whisper White, and our little framelit here. We are going to run this through the Big Shot. And we're going to have our ready-made rectangle here. Super quick and easy with these stitched rectangles. So it's stitched all around. I don't know if you can see that in the video, because sometimes it's hard to see the white because there's a little bit of a glare. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to get our Memento black ink, and we are going to stamp this in the Memento black because we are going to color him in with our blends. And this is nothing fancy. It's going to be quick and easy coloring. And I need to do the Hey Valentine first, so I know where to line him up. So we're going to put this at the very bottom, just like that, and then we're going to stamp him right above. Just like that. Super quick and easy. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to color him. And I thought I had my blends all out, but I don't. And I actually looked up, I don't know if any of you, I'm probably showing my age, know who Pepe Le Pew is. That little animated cartoon when I was a kid. And I just looked him up to see how he was colored, and so I colored him just like Pepe Le Pew. And I thought he turned out really cute. So this is the light basic black that I'm using. I know it looks dark, but the other one is super dark. And I didn't want him that dark because I want to be able to see. So we're just simply coloring him in. We're not doing any shading, just coloring it in. Super quick and easy. And I used my little light petal pink, and I just gave him some little rosy cheeks because he's cute and he needs to be. And then I am using my Real Red, and I believe, no, this one's Poppy Parade. I had my blends out. Oh, there they are. Oh, I had them out and I didn't see it. It was underneath my paper. So we're going to do his nose in the dark real red and then his little hearts. I just love coloring these things, and I can do it. It's so relaxing to me. And so there he is. He's all ready to go. And then we're going to bring up our scoring tool, and we are going to score this in half at 2. It's 4 inches, so we're going to score it in half at 2. And I didn't have any more hearts, which I really like the hearts better. I just had those left from last year, and they do have them again. I saw them. I'm going to buy some more for another project. But I'm just using these Dove candies that I just got. And then we are going to just fold that in half. And I'm using fast fuse. Use some tear and tape. You can put tear and tape on both sides of this. You need to put it on both sides. So I put it on the bottom and the sides, and just like in a square or a rectangle, all the way around, so it seals this really good and it doesn't fall off. And then you're just going to place it on top here, line that up in the center, and then you're just going to fold that down. Just like that. Now the little hearts that I got are hearts that were from another project. And it actually is a framelit in our, you've seen me use the framelits a ton. I'll grab them really quick. So the framelits are the Be Mine stitched framelits. You've seen me use these a ton. So the hearts, I ran this through for another project, and all these little hearts came out. So those are the hearts that I'm using for this. If you have a heart punch or something like that, you can use that as well. So I need to use my little take your pick tool, because this tool is the handiest tool I think I've ever had. And I am going to use some Tombow on it. Oop. I got a little bit much on there, so I'm going to take a little bit off, and then we're going to put one there. Use a little one. Could probably use that other, yeah. Put one there. And then I'm going to use one other small one. This glue, when you want it, it comes out really strong if you're not careful. And then we'll put the other one right there next to his other little hearts. Isn't he cute? I just think he's super adorable. I love this little skunk. He's so cute. And it's super quick and easy. So I thought you might enjoy a 3D project this time instead of a card. And since Valentine's right around the corner, I thought it would be super cute. So here's the one with the hearts. And then this one's with the little Dove chocolates. They're both cute, but the hearts really make it because of the little hearts he has. And he's throwing the little hearts. It just is super adorable. So whatever hearts you can find that will fit in this bag, there's quite a few that make different heart candies this time of year, the chocolates, and they're just really super adorable. These are the Reese's that I used, and these I just got at the Dollar Tree. These are those Dove chocolates in the little packs that they have. Alright everyone, if you need any supplies for this project, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Here's the January hostess code. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed it everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.